Students, how are you all? I hope that everybody you are good and healthy and you are studying everybody. I hope and believe unto you. Right. And yesterday we have started the new chapter of geography, that is agriculture. Right, chapter 4. And yesterday there was an introduction part, and today we are going to study about the farm systems. Right, you can see in your screen that farm system, agriculture or farming can be looked at as a system. The important inputs are seeds, fertilizers, machinery, and labor. Right, these are the four important factors for one is what? Input, right? Process, output, seed, chemicals, plowing, sowing, all the crops. So this is very easy for understanding. It is nothing that much rocket science. So it's you are in your surrounding, you are seeing all those. So it is very easy to understand. What do we need? We need seeds, we need fertilizers, we need machinery, and another important thing is labor. Some of the operations involved are plowing, sowing, irrigation, weeding, and harvesting. The outputs from the system include crops, wool, dairy, poultry. These are the products there, right? So this all together connected or all together comes with the agriculture, right? Types of farming that we are seeing here. Types of farming is a practice, right? The various ways it is practiced across the world. It is depending upon the geographical conditions and demand of produce. Okay, so one thing I will tell you that coffee or tea, so mostly some of the part of India are producing. Otherwise, everywhere, all the parts of India that is not produced. Okay, you might understood about my example. Next, so another is labor and level of technology. Farming can be classified into two main types. What is that? One is a subsistence farming and another is a commercial farming. What is that? Two important highlights here. You can see that the farming is classified into two main types. One is a subsistence farming, another is a commercial farming. Okay, let's see the commercial farming. This type of farming is practiced to meet the needs of a farmer's family. Could you understand? It's very simple to understand that subsistence farming is a type of farming is practiced to meet the need of farmer's family itself. That's it. Traditionally, low level of technology and household labors are used to produce a small output. So now I will make you understand that what is subsistence farming is. Subsistence farming हम उसे कहते हैं जो किसान अपनी खेती में अपने परिवार के साथ मिलकर, ज़्यादा मशीनरी नहीं है, ज़्यादा लेबर नहीं है, ज़्यादा लैंड भी उन्होंने इस्तेमाल नहीं किया प्रोडक्शन के लिए, लेकिन अपने ही घर के नीड्स को, अपने पेट पालने के लिए, अपने खुद की अनाज के लिए जो भी प्रोडक्शन करता है उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? सब्सिस्टेंस फार्मिंग. Okay. So further classified as intensive subsistence and primitive subsistence. Subsistence are again two types, right? One is intensive subsistence and another is primitive subsistence. Now let's understand the intensive subsistence of agriculture. The farmer cultivates a small plot of land using simple tools and more labor. Climate with large number of days with the sunshine and fertile soils permit growing of more than one crop annually on the same plot. Rice is the main crop, other crops including wheat, maize, pulses and oilseeds. Intensive subsistence agriculture is prevalent in the thickly populated area of the monsoon region of South, Southeast and East Asia. Right, here is that as we are seeing in our surrounding. Right, here in this place where we live, so in our surrounding we see that plots or small lands, labor and manual work are done for the production of different type of grains and crops. So it is called what? Intensive subsistence agriculture. Next one is primitive subsistence agriculture, includes shifting cultivation and nomadic heading. Primitive means what? Olden, right? So पुराने ज़माने की जो जिस तरह से लोग प्रोडक्शन एक्टिविटी और कल्टीवेशन करते थे, राइट. प्रिमिटिव सब्सिस्टेंस एग्रीकल्चर दैट इज कॉल्ड. And another is a shifting cultivation and nomadic heading, right? What is shifting cultivation? Mostly within 1 or 2 hours I will tell you that what is shifting cultivation. A patch of land, एक छोटी सी एरिया को पहले जो भी जंगल में जाते हैं, ये मोस्टली जो प्रिमिटिव होती है, और ये जो शिफ्टिंग कल्टीवेशन होता है ये ज़्यादातर पहाड़ी इलाकों में होते हैं. आदिवासी लोग इसको ज़्यादा इस्तेमाल करते हैं. तो वो पहले जाते हैं और जंगल में एक छोटा सा पैच ऑफ लैंड को वो क्लीन करते हैं, झाड़ियाँ काट देते हैं, हर चीज़ साफ़ करने के बाद उसको आग जला देते हैं. वो जल जाता है. जब उनकी राख आ जाता है वो उसके ऊपर उन्होंने क्या करते हैं और क्रॉप्स लगाना शुरू करते हैं. कहीं बम्बू से कहीं किसी तरह से भी, कोई भी डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ टूल्स दे यूज फॉर व्हाट, डिगिंग एंड सोइंग द सीड्स. एंड आफ्टर दैट 1 or 2 years continuously they does their work, right? After that, when soil loses its fertility due to soil erosion, then they shift that place into the another area, that is called a shifting cultivation. Okay, what are there? Mostly maize, yam, potatoes, cassava are grown. So it is mostly given in shifting it is Amazon basin, tropical Africa, here it is given, but in Asia, even in our India also this areas done. That is called a shifting cultivation, right? Next, nomadic headings. What is nomadic heading? It is practiced in the semi-arid and arid regions of Sahara, Central Asia, and some parts of India, like Rajasthan and Jammu Kashmir. In this type of farming, herdsmen move from one place to another place with animals for food and water along defined routes. Nomadics, the people, those who are temporary for one place to another place. They move one place to another place along with their all things and their domesticated animals. So they are called nomadic headings, right? So what is that? This type of movement arises response to the climate constraints and terrains. Sheep, camel, yak, and goats are mostly commonly reared. They provided milk, meat, wool, hides, and other products to the herders and their families. बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं जो कि जानवर पालते हैं, राइट? सो ये जो लोग होते हैं ये अपने भेड़ बकरियां या गाय भैंस और ऐसे सारे बहुत चरवाई जिसको हम कहते हैं, ये एक प्लेस टू अनदर प्लेस जाते हैं जहाँ पे क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशन बहुत ही फेवरेबल होता है अपने लाइफ स्टॉक के लिए, अपने एनिमल्स के लिए. तो उस एरिया में रहते हैं. अगर वहाँ के क्लाइमेट थोड़ा सा अलग चेंज होता है तो फिर वो एक प्लेस से अनदर प्लेस को चले जाते हैं, राइट? ओके, नेक्स्ट वी विल स्टडी अबाउट द कमर्शियल फार्मिंग. टिल देन, गुड बाय एंड हैव अ नाइस डे.